Fearless, experimental, and independent, artists are natural explorers. And as a Viking, you'll find all sorts of freedom. Studying art at Villa College sets you on a path of discovery, one that can lead to our bachelor's degree in integrated arts or our associate's degree in fine arts. This former chapel now serves as a multi-use space for classes in art, design, printmaking, and more. The space itself is a canvas ready to be used by our talented students and faculty to pursue their creative interests. The north wall is anchored by a vivid mural painted by our students. The high ceilings and open floor plan feel like a sought-after artist's studio, and the stained glass windows illuminate the space and provide interest beyond just the visual. Whether you know exactly what path you want to take with your art career, or you're eager to dabble in a range of disciplines, our integrated art program makes it possible to do either. Either way, your first year will be spent building a foundation of creative techniques and knowledge of art and its long history that will inspire and direct the path you ultimately choose to take. Take studio courses in drawing, design, painting, printmaking, photography, and more as you develop your own unique style and a variety of materials and methods. Our Fine Arts program is the only 2-year program of its kind in Erie County and is an excellent program for students who wish to explore the many aspects of the visual arts. As an art student at Villa, you'll have access to dedicated spaces for fine arts, including a converted chapel, large studio classrooms, and individual studios for advanced students. The space also has 2 large and bright classrooms. The first is a drawing studio. As in all of our spaces, students work closely with our art faculty who are artists themselves who display their work in Western New York and beyond. The second classroom is focused on teaching the foundation of art and design and also has a small computer lab within it. Students in all of our art and design programs study the foundations of design as well as master their craft in their area of interest, whether that be interior design, graphic design, animation, or game design. At Villa, students receive a hands-on, studio-based education that's led by expert faculty. Students showcase their work in a variety of settings, including the college's on-campus Belts Family Art Gallery, virtually on the web, in our art and literary publication Scald, and at some of the most popular galleries in Buffalo and beyond. Learn more about studying fine arts at Villa Maria. See for yourself at Villa.edu.